Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of car maintenance with our top picks for the best OBD2 scanners with Tpms reset capabilities. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned mechanic, having the right scanner can make all the difference in diagnosing your vehicle's issues quickly and accurately. In this video, we'll explore features like ease of use, compatibility, and, of course, that all-important Tpms reset functionality. Plus, stick around for exclusive deals you won't want to miss. So, if you're ready to take your automotive game to the next level, hit that like button and let's get started. Number 5. Foxwell NT706 OBD2 Car Scanner, your ultimate automotive diagnostic tool that combines advanced technology with user-friendly features. This upgraded tablet scanner takes the high-quality performance of the NT604 and enhances it with a high-sensitivity touchscreen, allowing for seamless navigation even while wearing gloves. With its robust Android 9.0 operating system and a powerful 4,000 mAh lithium battery, the NT706 delivers an exceptional diagnostic experience that sets it apart from traditional button-operated devices. Equipped to handle the most commonly used diagnostics, ABS, SRS, airbag, engine, and transmission, this scanner enables you to read and clear error codes, access vehicle ECU information, and create multi-dimensional data tables with over 132 plus data types. It's an essential companion for annual inspections, featuring 10 OBD2 functions, including I/M readiness queries and battery voltage tests, saving you both time and effort. The NT706's clear interface and features like instant screenshots, PDF report generation, and real-time data playback make it incredibly easy to use. Plus, it supports 99% of vehicle models from 1996 onward, making it a versatile tool for all your diagnostic needs. With lifetime free Wi-Fi upgrades and dedicated technical support, Foxwell ensures you're never left in the lurch. Experience peace of mind and confidence in your vehicle's performance with the Foxwell NT706 OBD2 Car Scanner, the best OBD2 scanner with Tpms reset capabilities. Number 4. Mucar OBD2 Scanner, your ultimate car diagnostic tool designed to keep your vehicle running smoothly. This advanced scanner provides professional-level diagnostics across 6 essential systems, including ABS, SRS, ECM, TCM, BCM, and Tpms, ensuring your safety and performance are never compromised. With 7 reset services at your fingertips, like oil, EPB, SAS, and Tpms resets, this tool is perfect for vehicle maintenance, allowing you to perform tasks like ABS bleeding after replacing critical components. Equipped with a 5-inch HD touchscreen, the Mucar scanner offers crystal-clear visuals, displaying live data and diagnostic information in real time. You can view up to 4 parameters simultaneously, making it easier to interpret data while you work on your vehicle. The scanner supports over 94 vehicle brands and 10,000 models, ensuring compatibility with American, European, and Japanese cars, which means it can handle virtually any vehicle you throw at it. One standout feature is the Wi-Fi upgrade capability, allowing for easy updates to the app operating system and diagnostic software, ensuring you always have the latest features. Plus, with 24/7 online service support, you can reach highly trained technicians anytime you need assistance. The Mucar OBD2 scanner truly embodies the best in automotive diagnostics, making it a must-have tool for any car enthusiast or professional mechanic. Don't miss out on this top-rated OBD2 scanner with Tpms reset capabilities. Number 3. CGSULIT SC880 All-System OBD2 Scanner, the ultimate tool for every car owner and automotive enthusiast. This advanced scanner meets 99% of your vehicle maintenance needs, supporting the diagnosis of all available systems and offering an impressive 25 special maintenance functions. Unlike other scanners that only provide basic resets, the SC880 allows you to read and erase error codes, view live data, and perform advanced functions for crucial systems like ABS, SRS, transmission, and Tpms. With features like oil light reset, EPB, ABS bleeding, and injector coding, it effectively tackles most of your vehicle's reset and relearn tasks. Its unparalleled vehicle compatibility means it works with over 150 brands across the US, Europe, and Asia, making it a versatile choice for cars, trucks, SUVs, and more. Plus, the latest AutoVIN technology streamlines the diagnostic process, allowing for quick identification and scanning without manual input. The SC880 comes equipped with a built-in 32GB memory card, USB data cable, and user manual, ensuring ease of use right out of the box. Backed by a 5-year warranty and lifetime free updates, it guarantees exceptional value without hidden subscription fees. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, the CGSULIT SC880 is the best OBD2 scanner with Tpms reset capabilities, keeping your vehicle running at peak performance. For a reliable and comprehensive diagnostic experience, look no further than the CGSULIT SC880. Number 2. Topdon AD500 OBD2 scanner is your ultimate automotive diagnostic companion, designed to tackle a wide range of car systems with precision and ease. This powerful tool performs comprehensive diagnostics for engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission, allowing you to access critical information in real time. With its impressive 4-in-1 graphic live data, you can effortlessly identify issues across 67 manufacturers and over 10,000 models, covering most OBD2-compliant vehicles from 1996 onwards. Equipped with smart AutoVIN technology, the Topdon AD500 scans your vehicle's make, model, and year automatically, streamlining the diagnostic process. The vivid 5-inch touchscreen display enhances usability, while the intuitive rubberized buttons make navigation a breeze. Plus, enjoy up to 10 hours of battery life and the convenience of lifetime free updates via Wi-Fi, ensuring you always have the latest features at your fingertips. Not only does this scanner read and erase diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, to turn off warning lights after repairs, but it also includes essential functions like oil reset, SAS reset, throttle reset, Tpms reset, BMS, and EPB, making it a versatile tool for every car owner. With 32 GB of onboard memory, you can store and share diagnostic reports effortlessly. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, the Topdon AD500 OBD2 scanner is perfect for maintaining your vehicle's performance and longevity. Don't miss out on the best OBD2 scanner with Tpms reset capabilities. Number 1. Launch CRP129X Elite, the ultimate OBD2 scanner for 2024. This advanced diagnostic tool offers exceptional features designed to make car maintenance easier and more efficient. With its upgraded processor and enhanced hardware, you can enjoy a lifetime of free updates and access to an extensive vehicle coverage. The CRP129X Elite supports 8 essential service functions, including oil reset, Tpms reset, electronic parking brake, and more, ensuring comprehensive vehicle diagnostics. One of the standout features is the new FCA auto-off capability, which allows for seamless vehicle access and increased diagnostic precision. You'll also appreciate the included Tpms activation tool, perfect for GM vehicles. Just click Extra Savings to add it to your cart. Plus, with the ability to perform AutoVIN scans and generate vehicle health reports, diagnosing issues has never been easier. The launch CRP129X Elite offers real-time live data streaming and a built-in DTC library, making it not only a reliable OBD2 scanner but also an ABS and SRS scan tool. With wide compatibility across over 60 car brands, this diagnostic tool is suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike. Say goodbye to expensive trips to the repair shop. Get the Launch CRP129X Elite today and take control of your vehicle's health. Perfect for anyone searching for the best OBD2 scanner with Tpms reset capabilities. In conclusion, choosing the right OBD2 scanner with Tpms reset capabilities can save you time and money while keeping your vehicle in optimal condition. We've explored some of the best options available, highlighting their unique features and benefits. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, investing in a quality OBD2 scanner will enhance your diagnostic capabilities and ensure your vehicle's performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. Share this video with fellow car enthusiasts, and we'll see you in the next one.